Welcome to Handstands with Natalie. I'm Natalie and I'm going to now show you 5 key exercises for learning a one-arm handstand. First, you should learn how to transfer the weight in a one-arm handstand by gently lifting the base of your hand off. So here you have to shift the hips a little bit, but focus on shifting the weight in the shoulders and the hips are naturally going to follow. The next step then is to shift your weight onto 5 fingers. So make sure you shift the weight onto 5 fingers, create a diagonal line with your arm. Make sure you have all 5 fingers on the floor and see if you can find a natural rhythm. Then practice a one-arm handstand against the wall by first holding it there for 10 seconds and then for 20 seconds, and make sure that you practice on both arms equally. The next step from there is to take your one-arm handstand onto 5 fingers and hold it there for 10 or 20 seconds. And then eventually you take more and more fingers off until in the end it's really just the tip of your hand that is touching the floor, and then you try to hold it there for 10 to 20 seconds. Then you can try and combine these steps to become a little bit faster. 5 fingers, tip of the hand, and then lift off. And then when you're really confident, you can do it all in one go and gently take the hand off. Another great strengthening exercise is this one here, where you put your arm onto a stool or onto the lower bar of Swedish bars and hold it there, or just open and close the legs. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful for your one-arm practice. These videos I make here are supported by you, the viewer, via the Patreon page. So have a look at my Patreon page and also at my Vimeo courses. And let me know how these exercises here affect your one-arm handstand practice. I'm curious.